Joke mo na kami, ha? Hello, joke mo na kami. Joke. Dali, Ving. Kata tayo, Ving. Sana'y tingin mo ang awit kong ito. Awit na nagmamahal sa'yo. Awit na may pag-ibig mula sa aking puso. Ang awit kong ito'y para sa'yo. Langit ang bawat saglit sa piling mo. Ligaya kang tunay sa puso ko. Ayan, joke. Para sa akin, laging kapiling ka. Ikaw ang tangi kong iniibig. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Magpakailanman dito sa aking puso. Wala nang papalit sa isang katulad mo kahit na magpakailan pa man. Kanta na, Bing! Ikaw ang iibigin ko. Mag-ano tayo?
Maganda ngayon.
Ganahan, anak. Ano yung ganahan? Hala, buang man yun. Nagtuloy-tuloy man di ay ka. Sorry ha. Nagtuloy-tuloy dahil yung video ay. Woo! This song is heartily dedicated to all my love. Ang dami man. I will not make the same mistakes that I will not let myself cause my heart so much misery. I will not break the same you did. You feel so hard. I've learned the hard way to never let it get that far. Because of you, I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I like to play on the same side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me but around me. Because of you, I am afraid. Woo! I lost my way, and it's not so long before you pointing out I cannot cry, because I know that's weakness in your eyes. I'm forced to fake a smile, a laugh every day of my life. My heart can possibly break when it comes out to start with. Because of you, I'll never stray too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I like to play on the same side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me but around me. Because of you, I am afraid. I was so tired, I heard you cry every night in your sleep. I was so young, you should have known better than to lean on me. You never thought of anyone else, you just saw your pain. And now I cry in the middle of the night for the same damn thing. Because of I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I like to play. Ah! Pagod. Pagod na. Paus na. Just to forget anything. Because of you, I not to let anyone else in. Because of you, and there's an empty. Because of you, I am afraid.